Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another Cash App free money hack video. This is a series where we take a look at these videos, we break them down, we see what's going on, and we see if it's a scam or we see if it's legit. Okay, so today we're taking a look at a video called Get Paid Daily with Cash App and Bitcoin to watch YouTube videos. I don't know about that, but this video was posted on December 20th, 2019. 157 views. So let's go ahead, play through this. We'll see what it's all about. It's 1 minute and 43 seconds.
So you guys can see today's date. It's December 20th.
It says you can see the date. So he opens up Cash App.
Cash App. You can get paid, you guys, with Bitcoin and Cash App with these opportunities. You guys see the money right here. I'm about to buy some Bitcoin.
He's saying you can get paid with these opportunities. The money is right here. This dude's just talking. He's not really saying anything.
Yes, this is a real opportunity. You guys can get paid.
He's saying you can get paid to watch YouTube videos. Does he even do anything? He's not even doing anything. I don't even think this is a video. I think it's just a screenshot. Why would anyone subscribe, bro? Imagine believing in this shit. Imagine it. Guys, it's fake. You can't get paid on Cash App. You can't get paid in Bitcoin for watching YouTube videos. That's just not a real thing. I mean, if you need an explanation for that, then like, I don't know, man. I don't know. You should seek help. So you don't get free money for doing this. I don't know what he's trying to get you to do. Click here. Probably some type of cash flip or something like that. I wonder what the comments say. They're just spam comments. Just like the ones that'll be on this video because YouTube can't stop the bots. But anyways, that's it. This one's fake. Don't do it. Dude is not gonna send you free money on Cash App for watching YouTube videos. Come on, that ain't real. If you want to see some actual Cash App videos, how-tos, experiments, things like that, be sure to check out my channel. I have hundreds of Cash App videos over there. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might win.